Imagine this. You've been disciplined. You've skipped the expensive lattes, moved $100 here, $200 there, and finally hit that $10,000 milestone in your savings. You feel like a financial adult, but then you check your interest for the year, and it's $50, barely enough for a decent dinner. Meanwhile, the world is talking about compound growth and index funds. You start to realize you aren't building wealth, you're just storing it. Saving protects your money, but it doesn't grow it. Today, I'm showing you the exact 5-step path to move from saving to investing without the overwhelm. The math of wealth, the why. Let's look at the wealth gap, saver. $10,000 at 1% interest. In 20 years, you have about $12,200. Investor. $10,000 at 10%. S&P 500 average. In 20 years, you have $67,000. Same starting line, but a $54,000 difference. Saving is like keeping seeds in a jar. They stay safe, but they never grow. Investing is planting them. The 5-step action plan. Step 1. The shield. Don't invest until you have a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. This safety bucket ensures you never have to sell your stocks when the market is down just to fix your car. Step 2. Mental buckets. Separate your money. Safety money stays boring and flat. Growth money is allowed to ride the roller coaster because its job is the long game. Step 3. Start tiny. You don't need $10,000, you need $50 and a habit. Consistency beats luck every single time. Step 4. Keep it boring. Skip the crypto moonshots or day trading. Look at index funds. As Warren Buffett says, they are the best tool for most people because you're betting on the whole economy, not just one company. Step 5. The market crash mindset. When the market drops, don't panic. View it as a sale. You're buying more shares for less money. Saving gives you stability, but investing gives you freedom. If you're ready to stop just storing seeds and start planting your forest, hit that subscribe button. Question of the day. Are you still in the saving stage, or have you taken the leap into investing? Let me know in the comments.